In-N-Out mukbang! I got the Flying Dutchman, right? Cheeseburger, animal fries. I'm with Ash. Ganda ni Ash, guys. Okay. Wait, which should I try first? This one? No, this one. Burger.
You're on a stop.
Okay. If this is mid, I'm gonna cry. First bite.
What?
Yeah. But it's not something like I've never had before.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Oh, never mind.
Wait. Sorry. Wait. Ang sarap. Nag-judge ako ng masyadong early. Diet Coke. Tried with this. So good. Let's try the Flying Dutchman. I've heard good things. Here.
Wow, the lighting's so good.
Right? Guys, iba yung lighting dito. Sa Philippines, may mga wire na yan. Wait. Ano, mukbang pa to? Or ano na lang? Chikahan na lang. Ash, you have to try this. Let's try it with chili. Sikat daw to dito. So, this one's different. Ito yung never ko pa na-try before. It's surprisingly good. Now, I get why people buy this. Here's how it looks like, guys. It's okay. Guys, Coachella's in 2 days, and I think I'll be fat.
Don't die.
I fear
The
I'll gain
perfect
weight.
meal.
It's like so nice out. Gets good about maraming taong favorite ang LA. Windy, malamig pa rin, but it's sunny. Like the sun's out. See? Ako lang bar, iba yung glow ko dito. It's like, I'm made for LA. Look at that! Guys, nagpunta kami dito to film the Girls Like This. I'm gonna check. Ang sami. Ubus na yung burger namin, hindi kami nakapag-film. We got too excited, I guess.